One of the other points that I wanted to share with you today is about flat, low-pitch patio roofs. We're standing on one right now. My cameraman's about to show you the roof that we're standing on. A lot of contractors and remodelers make the mistake of putting on shingles on low-pitch roofs. That does not do, because water tends to pond here. They're not very steep, and so you want to make sure that flat roll roofing is used in these type of applications, and it's very important. It'll preserve your deck and your patio. Well, what we're looking at here is again the flat patio roll roofing, and what you're seeing right here is drip edge. This is a metal edge that extends back under the flat roof, and it's really important that there's a glue seal here. This keeps water that may weep over from weeping back under the shingle. Very important part of the flat roofing installation, not that it's just laid down on top and that water can weep under here. So correct drip edge on these flat patio installations is a must. So what we're also looking at here is a piece of reverse 3-tab shingles with a ceiling strip on it. A mistake that a lot of roofers do is they turn this around and use this as a starter strip, and the ceiling strip, which is here, should be all the way down here, and that is to keep the roof from lifting in a wind situation and starting a blow off or a tear off. This is when somebody does this is sloppy workmanship. It's barely acceptable, but they should be using a true starter strip with a ceiling strip down here to prevent future blow offs. What we're looking at here is some ridge vent up on a home, and the first thing I wanted to point out, there's a storm lip and a screen built onto this ridge vent. There's only 2 manufacturers that make this type, and it's all that I use. And the reason because is this storm lip will prevent wind-driven rain from being driven up into the product and into your attic. And now I'd like to show you what it looks like before it's installed. This is you can see it's a flexible product. Again, a screen built in, storm lip, and then we also use 3-inch nails. Notice they're ribbed, which means they stick like screws and they won't come out. And then we nail the shingle right on top of it. Quality ridge vent, there's many different manufacturers, many different brands, but there's only 2 that produce a really enduring quality product, and that's all we use. And so what you're looking at here is you're looking at 3 types of fasteners. This is a staple that's used by home builders, even on $500,000 homes, to attach shingles on their roofs. This is why they have so many blow-offs. This is just a piece of wire, cannot hold a shingle as well as a nail like that round nail head. This is what's recommended by most manufacturers, all manufacturers, for re-roofing. And then in the acceptable situations, you want to use a nail that's long enough, like in the ridge vent or putting on ridge cap shingles. That makes a big difference. So if you want your roof to last long, don't use a cheap fastener. We only use nails. That's Masada's way. Okay, what you're looking at here is a lead pipe jack, also with an animal barrier. This will keep any rats or critters that occasionally like to come and drink out of these from coming in. But this lead jack will outlive any rubber gasket. It'll outlast the life of the roof. This is the absolute best, and that's available also to you from Masada Roofing. What you're looking at here is a home with a metal roof, and metal is a terrific way to roof your home, but it's also 4 times the cost of shingles. What I'd like to show you as we start to pan out is some of the other options that you'll have for a fraction of the price. What I have over here is a sample of Armor Shield. These are impact resistant shingles that are cost a fraction of the price compared to metal, and this may be a great option for you if you'd like to get an insurance discount. These carry the same impact class ratings as the metal roof you were just looking at a fraction of the price. Impact resistant shingles may be the answer for you and your home. Options that we offer our customers is extended warranties from the manufacturers. You're going to have 2 warranties on a roof. One from us, that we installed the roof correctly and that we warranty our installation. You'll also have a warranty from the manufacturer for the quality of the shingles, and you can get an extended manufacturer's warranty that covers not only the materials but the installation, the whole roof system, and if necessary, the removal and replacement of it, labor and materials.